Hi there, this is Alex Bernier with Realize Displays, here just with some helpful information for those who are looking at a digital sign project for their business. By digital signage, I mean a flat panel monitor used for messaging purposes that integrates a variety of different pictures, videos, and other information to communicate to an audience. Now, if you started doing your search on the internet, you'll probably notice that there are a lot of different companies out there. Some of them are software developers, other ones are audiovisual companies, and it's kind of difficult to separate between which one you should actually work with. Well, first off, let's categorize them into 4 different areas. First off, you do have the software developers, and they basically make the software that runs through the flat panel monitors to show those messages. Most of those software developers don't actually do any of the hardware, meaning the monitors or the mounts or the installation themselves. They will normally refer you over to someone else who will do that. You will also notice that there are some audiovisual companies out there that are getting into digital signage. Most of these companies started out doing teleconferencing, maybe some web video conferencing, or they hook up networks for corporate environments. They are starting to get into digital signage, and they are kind of the hardware experts. So almost the opposite of the software developers. They are the guys that know all the cabling, they do all the installation stuff, and they can make a beautiful mount for you to put a display on a wall. Now, there's 2 actual digital signage companies out there. Now, full digital signage companies are experts in both the hardware and the software, and they most likely provide support to integrate both of those. Now, if you're looking for digital signage for your business, you probably want to work with an actual company that brings the whole piece, all the pieces of the puzzle together. So, when we talk about digital signage companies, there's actually 2 types of those. So, it's important to know who you're talking with when you're making your calls. The first digital signage company is almost purely advertising based. These companies will go out and they might install a monitor on a wall or on a ceiling mount, and they'll actually do it for free or to little or no cost to where they install it. However, they gain their revenue from advertising that they show on the displays. So very important to know the difference between those 2 companies is who actually owns the digital sign. So this advertising model based company, they actually own the display even though it's on your facility, and they will gain ad revenue from it. And they probably work in some kind of benefits, like you can show an ad on there every couple minutes or something like that, or they might give you a part of their ad revenue that they get. Now, the other digital sign company that there is called a hybrid model. And a hybrid business model of digital signage basically sells you the whole system. So they will take care of all the installation and everything for you, and then train you on how to use the digital sign for your own purposes. And you can also sell advertising on it if you want, and that's kind of some gray area. Most companies, like Realize Displays, if you sell advertising on it, 100% of that ad revenue is yours to gain, meaning you can use it for your own purposes. But then again, you would have to manage your own ads. So just helping you out a little bit there, doing your search for the different types of digital sign companies out there. I'm Alex Bernier from Realize Displays. We're the hybrid model if you're looking for something like that to actually own the system. Any other questions, we're the audiovisual experts. Feel free to email us at info@real, R-E-A-L-eyes, E-Y-E-S, displays, D-I-S-P-L-A-Y-S.com. Thanks very much. Have a great day.